give my love to blah, blah, blah. And he's like, no, they've broken up. And I'm like,
Most about these 8 years together is all the Bollywood gossip I've got.
Forget blockbuster films. Forget glamorous red carpets. According to Nick Jonas, the best part of marrying Priyanka Chopra is something much more unexpected: Bollywood gossip. Yes, the Jonas Brothers singer has revealed that one of his favorite perks of being married to Priyanka is getting all the latest gossip from India's film industry. And his hilarious confession has left fans in splits. The revelation came during an episode of the Jonas Brothers' new podcast, Hey Jonas, when Nick appeared alongside Priyanka Chopra, Kevin Jonas, and Joe Jonas. As the conversation turned to married life, Nick was asked what he enjoys the most about being married to Priyanka. His answer? An insider pass to Bollywood. Nick jokingly admitted that for nearly 8 years, he's been happily keeping up with Bollywood gossip, celebrity relationships, industry buzz, the latest headlines, and all the drama that keeps fans talking. But that's not all, because according to Priyanka, Nick has become even more invested than she is. Laughing at his confession, Priyanka shared that there have been several occasions when Nick actually knew Bollywood news before she did. She recalled messaging friends and casually asking them to pass on her greetings to their partners, only for Nick to interrupt her and remind her that the couple had already broken up. Without missing a beat, Nick smiled and admitted she was absolutely right. That wasn't the end of the confession. Curious to know how Nick manages to stay so well informed, Kevin and Joe Jonas immediately began asking which celebrities or gossip pages he follows, but Nick refused to reveal any names, saying many of the people involved are friends and he didn't want to create any awkwardness. However, he did let fans in on one little secret. Nick confessed that he quietly follows a few Bollywood gossip pages online, calling them highly entertaining. According to him, there's always good tea and enough twists and turns to keep him hooked. For fans, it was a refreshingly candid moment. After all, Nick Jonas may have grown up in Hollywood, but thanks to Priyanka, he's now just as invested in Bollywood headlines as millions of fans back home in India. And if Priyanka's revelation is anything to go by, there's a good chance Nick sometimes knows who's dating whom, who's broken up, and what's making headlines before even the stars themselves hear about it. From global concerts to Bollywood gossip, Nick Jonas seems to have embraced every part of Priyanka Chopra's world. And going by this interview, he's clearly enjoying every minute of it. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.